Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Hopefully this is valuable to you guys with Jeep Grand Cherokees, because that's mostly what this channel is about. So tonight we're going to be fixing a very common issue, and it's going to be primarily replacing these rear tie down contact points with the Chief Reinforcement WK2 rear tie down kit. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about here. This is inherently a pretty common problem with these WK2s, especially if you like tying things down on the back that weigh anything substantial. You want to really get these reinforced, so check this out. Now let's see what's in the box. Love the way these guys package. And here's what we're putting on today. Rear tie downs. Needed these for way too long. Got the hardware here. Cheap towel. And the bolts. Let's get to it. All right, here's the actual bar we'll be installing today. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 mounting points, so should be a lot more strong than what's currently in the Jeep. Let's go check it out. All right, here's what I'm talking about. So you have a contact point there, and then there's one in the corner there, and then one over here. This is my box that I have in the Jeep pretty much at all times. It's got my tire gauge in there. I got an air compressor, various recovery items. I got a Yankum rope and some soft shackles and things. And I also have the rear recovery hook that goes right in there, but it's pretty heavy. I mean, it's probably, I'd say 40-50 pounds. As you can see here, here's the problem. So this can only take so much, guys. If you want to put a cooler back here or tie down something that's heavy, that's gonna have a lot of static shifting weight, the only solution out there right now is Chief. And I mean, those guys know what they're doing with this rig. They've gone through and through. Oh, by the way, good spot to put your badges of honor. I really want to fill this whole thing up, but it's gonna take some time. But yeah, I was saying the guys at Chief have gone through this vehicle through and through, and any imperfections, I mean, they fixed it. So let's get into it. Just so you know, this is all that was holding this this tie down point in. That's it. And look, you can see I already bent the crap out of it. So yeah, I don't know which engineer thought that would be okay. Maybe the mom's hauling groceries in the Grand Cherokee, but at least on the Trailhawk, I mean, this thing's designed off-road, so I would hope that they might take this into consideration. That's it. All right, so it seems this little bolt has a nut on the end of it, and Chief's directions, they actually call for a Dremel. So what I did was, you have to cut like a little triangle here. You just follow the lines straight down like that, and then I popped this little deal out, this little thing that the previous screw threaded into. So now I can actually get a wrench on the bolt on the rear side of this to hold that. As you can see, we got the bar in there, and next step is to go ahead and put the these nuts back on there, and then we'll get her all patched up. But I mean, this is gonna be way more solid than what was in there before. It's kind of unbelievable. They thought those were just gonna hold anything. All right, so got that trim piece back on. You do have to drill out these holes a little bit. They do mention that in the notes, so just drill them out big enough so these guys fit in there. And then the way they work is just like this. So you got your factory mount here, and then this is the piece Chief provided. It's actually really nice, it's like billet aluminum. And then that goes right on that, and then you just bolt it in and she's good to go. All right, now we have the final product here. That is solid as rock, not going anywhere. There she is. Well done, Chief.